Diwali, also known as Deepavali, is a festival celebrated in almost all parts of India. It is an Indian festival that marks the victory of good over evil. Diwali is a festival of lights celebrated by Hindus all over the world. It symbolizes the victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. Diwali, also known as Deepavali, is a festival celebrated in almost all parts of India. It is an Indian festival that marks the victory of good over evil. Diwali is celebrated to mark the day when Lord Ram returned to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile, having defeated Ravan. The people of Ayodhya were very happy and lit diyas all over the town to welcome them back home. Since then, Diwali has been celebrated with the same spirit. It is a festival celebrated by Indians with great enthusiasm. The festival commemorates joy, harmony, and victory. It's the festival of lights, joy, prosperity, and happiness. It is a day-long celebration, and the festival lasts for 5 days. On the third day of the celebratory occasion, the key rituals of the Diwali festival take place. The lighting of diyas and candles all around the house, worshipping Lakshmi and Ganesh to summon health and wealth, and bursting crackers are the chief rituals of the festival. Friends, families, and colleagues share Diwali gifts with each other as a gesture of showing love and affection. A special and grand feast with delicious food that includes a mandatory variety of sweets is the main attraction of the occasion. Rangoli is a unique artwork that is practiced by people all across India. Basically, Rangoli is an artwork that is done on floors and is handmade.